A Walmart gift card balance usually doesn't update because the recent purchase or reload hasn't finished processing, the app hasn't refreshed your account, or there's a temporary delay in Walmart's gift card system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and the quickest ways to get the correct balance to appear. Start by refreshing your balance instead of checking it repeatedly on the same screen. Close the Walmart app completely, or refresh the balance page on walmart.com, then check again. Cached information can display an older balance even after a transaction is complete. Next, confirm whether your recent purchase or reload actually finished. If a payment was still pending, or the transaction was canceled, the gift card balance won't change until the transaction reaches its final status. If you recently received the gift card as part of a return or refund, remember that the balance may not appear immediately. Check your order or return status to confirm the refund has been completed before assuming there's a problem with the card. Another good step is signing out of your Walmart account and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and forces the app to retrieve the latest gift card information from Walmart's servers. If you're using the Walmart app, install any available updates from your device's app store. Older app versions can sometimes display outdated gift card balances or fail to sync recent activity correctly. If the app is already current, try checking your balance through a web browser instead. If the balance appears correctly on walmart.com but not in the app, the issue is likely related to the mobile application rather than the gift card itself. Also, make sure you're checking the correct gift card. If you have multiple Walmart gift cards saved to your account, verify that the card number matches the one you recently used or reloaded. Keep any purchase receipts, reload confirmations, or refund emails until the balance updates correctly. Those records make it much easier for customer support to verify the transaction if you need additional help. If the balance still doesn't change after you've confirmed the transaction was completed, contact Walmart customer care. Provide the gift card number, the transaction date, and any confirmation or receipt you receive. That information allows support to determine whether the issue is related to the gift card, the completed transaction, or a temporary system delay. The fastest fixes are refreshing your account, confirming the transaction completed successfully, updating the app, checking the balance through the website, and contacting support if the balance still doesn't update. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.